Hello everyone, welcome to PRP Coding YouTube channel. I am Praveen Raveendran Pillai. In this session, I shall explain about task streaming in .NET 9. So let's start. I have created a .NET 9 console application and it is opened in my Visual Studio 2022. If I double click on this project here, you can see that the target framework is set to .NET 9. Now, let me open the program.cs file. In the program.cs file, it contains an asynchronous method called printWithDelay that takes an integer parameter called delay. Inside the method, it uses the await keyword to asynchronously delay execution of the method for the specified amount of time. The task.delay method is used to introduce the delay, and the delay parameter is passed as the duration of the delay. After the delay, the method returns the delay value. The return type of the method is task.end, indicating that it is an asynchronous operation that will eventually produce an integer result. Then it contains a list called printTasks that will hold tasks that return an integer. The list is initialized with 3 tasks created by calling the printWithDelay method with different delay values 4000, 6000, and 2000. The list is initialized by using the collection expressions which was introduced in .NET 8. Then the Task.WhenAll method is invoked to wait for all the tasks in the print task list to complete. The result of the Task.WhenAll is assigned to the tasks variable, which will be an array of integers representing the results of each task. Finally, I have looped through the task array to get the result of each task. Now, let me go and run this application and see whether everything is working fine. For that, let me go and press Ctrl F5. And here you can see that the task results got printed 4000, 6000, and 2000. So everything is working as expected. In this demo, I have awaited the task.whenAll method, which will wait for all the tasks in the print task list to complete. Now, I don't want this behavior. I would like to get the results of each task as it completes. Is that possible in .NET? Is there any built-in support for this in .NET? Absolutely. This is possible by using the newly introduced Task.WhenEach method in .NET 9. The Task.WhenEach method returns an IAsyncEnumerable, which allows us to use the await foreach in a similar way that we would use it for consuming async streams, which was released in .NET 8. Okay, so now let me go and modify this code. For that, let me go and remove this line. And here I'm going to use Task.WhenEach, and here I'm going to pass the print tasks. Now, if I hover the WhenEach method here, you can see that the return type is an IAsyncEnumerable. For that reason, we need to await this for each loop, await for each, and here I need to await the task. Now, let me go and run this application and see whether everything is working as expected. Press Ctrl F5. And here you can see that the task results are printed as it arrives. So this is all about task streaming in .NET 9. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you.